What's up, Umbarès? Guys, so we're all finished up with your pool and you're wondering, what's next? Well, it's very simple. Enjoy your pool. Okay, for the first 30 days, we're gonna go ahead and take care of your whole pool. We have a whole team dedicated for this. They're called our startup team. All right, they're gonna make sure all your chemistry is correct. They're gonna make sure all the pool equipment is up and running. They're gonna register all your pool equipment and make sure everything's under warranty and registered with Hayward, okay? They're also gonna be the representatives to take care of any kind of equipment issues that may occur later on down the road or whatever. And also, they're gonna make sure and teach you how to operate your pool, how to control your pool with the app. So they're gonna pretty much take over from us building your pool, okay? Because we're doing all the construction, we get everything all done, and this team comes in and they just teach you how to run your equipment and how to do the app. Now, two things. So right when we finish, there's two options. If you elected to go ahead and do the water truck, you don't have to do anything but sit back and relax and enjoy and watch the show, right? We're gonna come in and we're gonna fill up your pool with the water truck. Now, if you selected to do a water hose and your own gonna fill up, that's gonna be solely now your responsibility to fill up your pool, and you cannot turn it off until it fills all the way up to the tile, okay? The reason why you don't wanna turn it off is because it's gonna leave a ring in your pool, and this is solely your responsibility, and that's part of the deal if you went ahead and selected to do it on your own. So guys, I hope you had a great experience and you enjoy your pool.